Hi traders, welcome back to the channel, and you can see this is a 1 hour time frame of gold and we are doing a weekly analysis. So let's quickly shift to the 1 week chart of gold, and now you can see some sort of wicks are around here after a breakout. You can see where the market breakdown, market structures, key level, most probably scenarios for the coming weeks, and the big question is whether market will going to retest 4200 or we will see a 4380 or maybe a all-time high new again at the end of this month. As we are into the you can say in games, we are almost in the verge of year end, so it's a big question where gold will gives a closing about this particular point, or maybe we will again back to into the channel, or maybe a 4200 and then 4000 levels as well. So just let me know into the comment section box what is your expectations from the market. And before we start, please like the channel and please subscribe the channel and like the video if you find it interesting. Okay, so this is a starting high time frame which gold is remaining strong bullish structure. We continue to see a higher highs in the formation. If you see this particular levels, a higher high formation is there, and confirming that buyers are still in control on the weekly chart. However, prices sometimes give us some sort of pullback again, but buyers are strongly pushing up the prices, and as a result of that, short term pullbacks are very common in this particular scenario. This means the momentum will be bullish after a shortfall, after a quick fall there was after a correction there was a continuation of the trend. So that's why I just told this momentum means a bullish, but entries must be very smart and not based on emotional trading. I hope you understand this, because market is always capturing the liquidity. And if you see, this is weekly charts I am just showing you. Let me just shift it to 1 hour time frame. Let me delete all this so then it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so if you see market liquidity from almost a 2nd of December, almost from the last 10 days, or you can say almost from the last 1 week, from this particular range gold is trading into this only. If you see, 4180 to 4000 range was very tight range before a breakout we have seen in the last 2 to 3 days. This was a liquidity zone where previously has acted as a strong base, right? This is a strong base into the gold prices. Now if we talk about an impulsive movement higher from here, okay, which was previously acted as a strong base, this zone is backed by the structure support and previously by buy side perceptions. As long as the price stay above this area, okay, the overall bullish biasness remains valid. Why? Because if you see, there is a strong support here multiple times on 2nd of December, on 4th of December, on 8th of December, then on 9th of December, and again on 10th of December, that is day before yesterday. Okay, so if you see, there are multiple times gold has retested this 4180 4200 area. So until this level will not breach, we cannot expect the sellers are having advantage, or the trend will going to be changed on a weekly time frame. So that's why I have also mentioned in my thumbnail that are you expecting 40 to 50 or below, or you are expecting an all-time high in this. So if we talk about the bearish scenario, let's talk about the bearish scenario. What will going to be happen here? Now let's talk about a risk, because risk management comes first. I hope you understand. Risk is very important, and managing of is also a very important part. So risk management is very important. The price falls to hold the above support, and we can see a clear breakdown with acceptance, and that can go correctively to 4150. It means if this level breach at 4200 or maybe 4180, then we will see the price will fall sharply up to 4150, because that was a previous support into a gold prices that we have witnessed on 25th of November. Okay, now let me just delete all this, and if we talk about a bullish scenario, if we talk about on a bullish way, if gold respect this particular zone, let's say 4250, let me just zoom it for all of you so that it will be easy to for all of you to understand. if gold respect the support zone, if we see a strong bounce back around here in this particular, then the continuation of a bullish movement will be possible on the charts. A confirmed breakout hold above resistance, or maybe 4250 around area, or maybe a 4300 around area, then it will be a very good sign for all the buyers to go in. Okay, and let me just tell you where the traders having a breakout, where the market structure is shifting intraday as well as the lower time frame context, that will also show you the correct picture. Okay, so let me just move it to 15 minutes chart as well, so then it will be also easy for you to understand. See, after making a highs yesterday at 4300 around this area, we have seen a strong fall, but somehow market just take a support exactly up to 4260, and market is respecting that, and gold has again moved back to 4300. So as a result of that, if we talk about a weekly plan, if we talk about the above support plan or below support plan, as I mentioned, the bearish channel will be below this only. If levels breach 4265, then we can expect the price can go down to 4200 area. Scenario 1. If prices continue up to 4300, might be possible that we will again see 4320 as a first resistance that I am talking about for the weekly basis. This is just a hurdle for a gold, and if that continue, if we see a price push up by the buyers, then we will see 4345 will be an actual resistance that we have already witnessed on Friday. If that breach, then only we can expect a all-time high scenarios in the gold prices near the year end. So just let me know into the comment section box what is your intake on this. Let me just type a support and resistance level as well for all of you, so that will be easy for you to understand. Support will be at 4200, resistance is at resistance, if we talk about resistance, 4300 is the resistance. Trend, I am still expecting trend is bullish, trend is positive, because overall momentum on a bullish side. So that will be easy for you, all of you, to take your positions and make your positions according to your risk management, guys. No need to go ahead for any kind of like risky trade. Remember, gold is volatile, especially during London and New York sessions. Trade with proper risk, wait for proper confirmation, and don't let your emotions control your executions, right? So if this analysis helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe the weekly gold updates, and drop your bias comments as well. Whether are you bullish or on a bearish side as well. And all, I will also going to tell you what will be the next calendar week we have. Like on Monday, we have CAD CPI numbers, that is in the evening, so that will be important for all the CAD pairs. On Tuesday, we have GBP claimant count change, and then in Europe there are multiple GBP and Euro, there are multiple high impact datas available. In evening, we have average hourly earnings, core retail sales, ADP week employment. There are a lot of data available on Tuesday on 16th of December. That will going to be a most important day for this week, I think, because there are multiple high impact data around 7 p.m. in the evening. Okay, as per the Indian times, and as per the US time, that is morning. Okay, so you just need to take care according to this and do trade safe side. If we talk about Wednesday 17th, we have no as such high impact data. On 18th is a full of again, there are a lot of data on 18th of December, because we are on the year end, so they will definitely going to release data quickly basis. So we have CPI, that is tentative, core CPI, that is also tentative, but CPI year on year, that is one of the most important, because this is the last month of year. So CPI will going to be very very volatile, and very important data will going to release. Again, euro, we have monetary policy. GBP, we have monetary policy, as we are into the December. So all the datas will definitely going to hit impact on the global market. Okay, and now if I talk about Friday, the upcoming Friday on 19th of December, then we have retail sales GBP data, and then we have no as such data in the US session. So the important days is Tuesday and Thursday of next week, that is 16th December and 18th December. So plan your trade according to that, guys. And also Let me tell you in the comment section box that what is your expectation. If you want to join us for the free trial, free channels, then links are available of my channel. This is my Telegram channel ID, Fortune Signals underscore admin. You can reach out to me here as well for any kind of like help. If you want free trials, channels are available, links are available. You can click and join our channel as well for any kind of information. And if you have any queries, you can reach out to my team as well. WhatsApp number is also available in the YouTube description box. Now let's get back to BTC USD. BTC USD is showing some sort of a buying movement. Let me show you. This is a 15 minutes chart only. Let me just shift it to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so you can see this is a area where BTC is continuously respecting this a lot time, like on 8th of December, on 11th of December, and multiple times previously as well. We have seen a strong support here. So 89,500 is a strong support. If you will see any sort of prices going upside, then you will get a proper target up to 91,000, 91,500 as well. So mark your trade according to your risk appetite and follow my channel and follow the trade according to this only. And if you have any queries, let me know in the comment section box as well. So this is my perspective. My intake is BTC. I am looking forward on a bullish side. We have already given a buy signals to our client, and you can follow our Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel for free trials as well. I am expecting a good buy from around this area. If this price breach 89,700, maybe 89,600, if breach, then only I can plan my trade up to as a stop loss up to 88,000, which was previously retested on 7th of December. Till then, I am on the bullish side, and if you have any queries, let me know. Okay, I will see you on the same time tomorrow in daily analysis video. Thank you.